Fresh spinach mixed with meaty artichoke hearts come together to make a delicious hot dip. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking a quick appetizer and making our delicious spinach and artichoke dip. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Begin by roughly chopping garlic. Over medium-low heat, spray a large skillet with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Stir in garlic. Cook until fragrant, 1 to 2 minutes. Take a quick second to like and share this recipe. Check out the GBH YouTube channel for other quick dips or appetizer recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel. Doing so helps our channel grow. Add spinach, to the skillet. Stir and cook until wilted. Gather cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, and feta cheese. Add all 3 cheeses to the skillet. Stir. Until melted and combined. What foods do you like to eat with dip? Let us know. Respond by commenting below the video. Drain and chop artichoke hearts. Add them to the skillet. Combine artichokes with the spinach mixture. Gather salt, pepper, and Creole seasoning. Pour dried spices into the skillet and combine. Slice a lemon in half and squeeze lemon juice into the skillet. Combine and cook 1 minute. If you are enjoying this quick dip recipe, like and share it. Also subscribe below and click on notifications to know when we release new recipes. Remove from heat and transfer to a serving dish. Enjoy this easy to make hot dip recipe. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.